Hello, friends. Welcome back to another fun English lesson with me. Today we are going to learn about the conjunction so. Are you ready? Let's get started. Title: Conjunction so. The word so is a very useful conjunction. It helps us connect two ideas or sentences. We use so to show a cause and effect relationship between two actions or events. For example, he studied hard, so he got an A plus on the test. The first part, he studied hard, is the cause. The second part, he got an A plus on the test, is the effect. The conjunction so connects these two ideas. Another example, she ran in the rain, so she caught a cold. She ran in the rain is the cause. She caught a cold is the effect. Another example, the dog barked loudly, so the cat woke up. The dog barked loudly is the cause. The cat woke up is the effect. She was suffering from a fever, so she met the doctor. She was suffering from a fever is the cause. She met the doctor is the effect. She is suffering from a fever, so she applies for leave. She is suffering from a fever is the cause. She applies for leave is the effect. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more language tips and lessons.